How to create a folder or label on Gmail mobile. Everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So you cannot actually create a folder or label on your Google mobile application, but there is a workaround you can do. So simply launch your Chrome and then search for Gmail. Make sure to enable this text up site, then open Gmail. Then you have to tap on this labels plus, and now you can create a new label using this. You can just create a new label name and create it, then simply add it in this label. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.